favorite Luther Vandross song playing downstairs, baby. Mood switch, baby, because I'm feeling it. I'm ready. Before we get into this, do subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, get all push notifications so you stay notified of every single upload. But most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Now, baby, if you are ready like I am, let's find out all about Miss VOSSMI Signature Wigs. So big thank you to Beauty Exchange for sending out this unit. This is by a company that I have never heard of. This is VOSSMI Signature Full Lace Wig. Oh, did I say full lace? Did I say full lace? Full lace wig, baby. This will definitely be more of a first impression type of review. And baby, I can tell you right now, the box alone is doing it for me. Do you see this? And this is not that cardboard, baby, okay? This is not that flimsy cardboard. She's solid, baby, like a rock. Okay, April Fools in March. This is not a full lace unit. However, it is a 13 by 4. So my apologies for that. So yeah, first impressions, I must say the hair looks really, really good. It's nice and soft. This is a full unit. I don't know if I'm going to keep the length. Now, they did send me 24 inches, as I mentioned, and them wheels are turning, baby. I got an idea. Okay, hold the press. Hold the press. I seriously, you know, I had my hesitations about this lace, but baby, can you check out the sideburn melt? And it's not even glued down. What?
I don't wanna talk about it.
Okay. Not what I had in mind, but we shall continue. So I'm actually going to trim the ends on this unit. I do have 2 ponytail holders. Ring! So I'm just going to put these right where I think I might want to cut it. Right. Bam. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. Woo! I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. You know what? Let's go a little bit further down, because once you cut this off, it ain't like it's gonna grow back. Yikes. Okay, so let's do the other side. Yeah, they're even. Yikes. You always wear the glasses. Okay. You don't want to let no sucker look you in your eyes, huh? Better show them eyelashes. You love what you do with a passion. Do this shit a track. Fuck with you, girl. All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in a backseat. Just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. Why we going out the things, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. See the creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. All all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide, slide. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. In the room, going out the thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. See the creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. All night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, all night, baby, when we gon' slide. All night, baby, when we gon' slide. I'm so proud of myself, and I feel so dang cute. Damn. Big thank you to Beauty Exchange for sending out this unit by VOSSMI Hair. And as I mentioned, this is my first go around with this company, so I cannot speak for the consistency as far as their other units, but this one right here, baby, listen, she's doing what she needs to do. I am using the adjustable straps in the back. I did want to give you something flat, baby, for that glueless finish. Check it out. We in the building. The knots on here are not bleached, so I really thought that was going to be an issue, but baby, as I said, scalp is in the building. I did take the liberty of plucking just a little bit more out of this hairline. It does come pre-plucked, as you saw in the beginning. You know me, I gotta put a little zhuzh to my units. Swoopity swoops on deck, baby. And baby, listen, everything about this hairline is A1, but hello, rewind. I did have to cut in to the unit, the lace. It was a little on the white side. However, like I said, scalp is in the building. I think this blends so dang good. The hair fluffed up perfectly, just what I wanted. You saw in the beginning, review was kind of going left, so I had to bring it on back. I did plan for a middle part with this unit, and it just, I don't know, I chickened out at the last minute. Went with a nice side part, and I think these curls fluffed up so dang good. This would look so bomb in a middle part. Even with some bangs in here, listen. 24 inches was looking really nicely on me. As I mentioned, I did want something, you know, more summertime appropriate, baby. Something carefree. Picnic and mimosa ready. First go around shaping, like fully shaping a curly unit. And I'm here to tell you, if I can do it, you can do it too. Hello. And it's really just a matter of holding the hair straight out, cutting down and curving it, and you're good to go. Scale of 1 to 10 with VOSSMI, I am going to give this about an 8.5, 9, only because of the lace. As I mentioned, no problem. We blended it. Looks good. Scalp in the building. Sold on the wig. Mimosa ready. So with that being said, if you are interested in checking out this unit or even Beauty Exchange, definitely hit their information up in the description box down below. Big thank you to them for sending out the unit, but most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. I definitely appreciate it. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all post notifications, and most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.